So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about TS Eamcet Counseling 2021. As you all know, the counseling has started from today. So here I will provide you all the processes step by step that you need to do, and I will also talk about the document required. It is the most important thing, and the fee that you need to pay after getting the seat, and for the registration of the counseling also, and the term and condition that you need to follow for the counseling, and schedule and the refund, how you can get the refund after you pay for the seat, and if you don't want to take admission later. And I will also talk about the eligibility. So all the information regarding the TS Eamcet counseling 2021 I will provide you in this video. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update about TS Eamcet counseling in future days also, and please try to share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. And one more information that is very important, because counseling is most important. So if you need counseling guidance, so that I can guide you for everything starting from your choice filling till your admission is done, not only for TS Eamcet but also other counseling that you will do later this year, I will do that without any extra charges. But for counseling guidance, you have to register with me one time by paying some amount, then I will take full responsibility of your all counseling, and I will provide you the best out of your rank in each counseling. And very soon I will provide you a video about the top 20 colleges under TS Eamcet and their cutoff for all the branches that is expected for this year. So stay tuned for that video, and please try to subscribe, it's my humble request. So if you want the counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. But if you need counseling guidance, then only, because for that you have to register with me by paying some amount. So let's start this video. So here is the counseling overview. First of all, I will provide you an overview of the counseling, and then I will talk about each point in detail. So there will be the first and final phase of the counseling, as you also know, and there will be also a spot round takes place after the final phase, that is later you will get the schedule for that. So there are total 100 plus engineering college comes under TS Eamcet, so you need to know about all those things. And certificate verification is mandatory for all, as you also know. And class 12 marks 45% for general category is needed, that is the OCS student, and 40% for the reserve candidate. And for eligibility for final phase, I will talk later in this video. So the counseling fee for general student, you need to pay at least 1200 for general and 600 for SC ST. Next, if you talk about top college under TS Eamcet cutoff review, so for review I have already uploaded a video, that is the top 20 college under TS Eamcet, highest salary, average salary, ESTD, and the fee structure of the college. So all the thing you can get in that video, that you will get in the I button as well as in the description box, you will get the link. So once again, I would like to inform you that counseling is very important, because you have to do the counseling very carefully, then only you will get the best out of your rank. Of course, you have done the 2 years of hard work to get this rank, but it is ultimately the counseling that will provide you the seat. So I have seen in previous year many a student did mistake in the counseling, this year also in VIT counseling, Amrita counseling. So it is advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, so that I can guide you starting from your choice filling till your admission is done. And not only TS Eamcet, but after that if you want to do JEE Mains or COMET counseling, that also I will do without any extra charges. So now talk about the schedule and verification. So here is the schedule, you can check from 30th the payment of the counseling will start, and it will continue till 9th of September, that is from 30th of August till 9th of September. And certificate verification for already booked candidate, you have to book a slot for certificate verification, and how you need to do that I will talk later in this video. And for that will be continue from 4th September to 11th of September. And the choice filling will be done from 4th of September till 13th of September, and the provisional allotment will be done on 15th of the September. So choice filling is most important, that I will talk later in this video also. So this is the schedule, and here is the certificate verification process. So candidate presence is mandatory. The student who have attended the TS Eamcet examination, that a student should be present at the time of certificate verification. And all the guidelines you can read by pausing this video. And if the student are suffering from COVID or any serious issue, then the parents can take the permission to their certificate verification on the behalf of the student. So one more information, that is final phase schedule will be announced later. And once you done the successful verification for the certificate, your ID password will be sent to your mail immediately, that you will use for the choice filling and all the process of counseling later also. So next, if you talk about document required, so here is the list of document you should carry, the certificate verification, and you can check all those document required by pausing this video. And original is mandatory. Also need to carry 4 to 5 photocopy of yourself, and try to arrange all the certificate one day before, as I told you earlier. So next, if you talk about steps of the counseling, so this is the very important to listen my word carefully so that you can do your counseling in a better manner. So payment, first you have to do, that is the 1200 for general and 600 for reserve student. Then you have to do the slot booking for certificate verification. Then you have to go for the verification. So this is the first step. Then the choice filling, this is the most important thing. Change is possible any number of time within the time provided for you for the choice filling. So this is the very important. You have to take the help of any experienced person, because there are number of colleges and what is best for you, because different student have different type of expectation and different type of rank also. So different student, there can't be a general choice filling for a student. It depends according to expectation and the rank of the student. If you don't have any experienced person, you can contact me. I will guide you for that by discussing with you separately, so that you can get the best out of your rank, because it is the very important. Once you do mistake, you might not get the best out of your rank. So next, if you talk about choice filling, is very important, that I told you earlier. After the first phase allotment, you have to pay the fee that will be notified during the allotment itself. Now there is no information for fee how much you have to pay, but you will get after the allotment. On the same allotment letter, you will be notified with a fee also. And online reporting to the given college, that is that the college you will get through the allotment, you have to report through online system. And seat given, fee paid but not interest. Suppose if you have got the seat and you pay the fee but not interested, then you can withdraw from that also, and you will get the refund. And I will talk later how you can get the refund and what is the criteria for that. And if you want, you can opt for the final or a spot round also. Once you pay, then also you can opt for the final round and or a spot round also. A spot round, the dates will be there declared later, and final phase date also will be declared later. So these are the steps that you need to follow for the counseling, to do it very carefully. So next is final phase eligibility. So here is the final phase. No need to do verification again. If you have done your certificate verification, you can go with the that ID password itself, and you have to do the choice filling and all the process again for the final phase. Eligibility for the final phase, the student who can exercise in the final phase, all the thing have been listed here. You can pause the video and read all the conditions, so that you can get all the information related to final phase eligibility. And here is the important thing, that is option given in the first be considered for the allotment of the final phase. Choice filling you have to do, that I told you earlier. And once you get a seat in the final phase, you will have to take that seat, and your previous seat will be cancelled. So this is very important, and you have to take your decision very carefully, because once you do mistake, you might lose your best seat. So this is very advisable to take the help of any experienced person. I repeat it again, if you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, because I have guided many students in VIT also, Amrita, Manipal, all other counseling, and I will guide you for all the counseling that you will do this year. Now let's talk about the refund policy and eligibility, how you can get the refund once you pay for a particular seat that you have got through allotment. So refund will be done in your original payment method. So try to pay from your bank account, so that you will get the refund in that itself if you apply for the refund later. So here is the refund policy. You can check by pausing this video that you need to follow in order to get the refund. Once you paid the fee for a particular seat, and later you don't want to join that. So this is the detailed information regarding the TS Eamcet Counseling 2021. So hope you find this video very useful. And once again, I would like to inform you, if you need counseling guidance, because that is the most important thing, so you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, so that I can guide you for everything, starting from your choice filling till your admission is done. And not only TS Eamcet, later if you want to do any other counseling, or you need information about any other college across India, I will provide you that without any extra charges. But for registration, you have to pay some amount, then I will take full responsibility of your all counseling that you will do this year. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.